Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome to another Scotty-Pips video. This is a cooking video for you, a little bit of a side quest for me because I love cooking. We'll be cooking up some Yough pizza. This is what the final product is going to look like, so a little sneak peek. But you may be asking, Scotty-Pips, what is Yough? So I actually have a friend that, this is a startup, and I have a friend that works here. And it's pizza with Greek yogurt in the dough. And right now they have cheese, vegetable, and pepperoni, but I think they're expanding soon. So yeah, you can find these in Target, a lot of different places. Check out their website. I'm not sponsored by them in any way, but we have their pizza all the time at my house. So I wanted to show you what we do when we cook their pizza. But you're gonna want to preheat your oven to 400 degrees, and we did a little customized veggie on top of a regular cheese mozzarella cheese pizza. And I can't tell you guys enough of how good this pizza really is, and it's also like healthy. So yeah, I mean, a lot of people love pizza. It's like one of the most eaten things in America. So I think Yough is going to be taking off pretty soon. But yeah, so this is how we cook the veggies. Going to add olive oil, Italian seasoning, some salt here, some pepper, and then I think I added some garlic salt. You're going to mix that all up. You're going to put it on a pan. You're going to want to cook the veggies first just a little bit. Put it on a pan. Make sure it's now nice and even. Then you're going to throw that in the oven for 10 minutes. And then once that's done, you're going to want to put it on your pizza. Again, no junk. Healthy for you pizza. Kind of crazy that this exists nowadays. But yeah, once you are all set, 10 minutes is up. Take those steaming hot vegetables, put them on your pizza, throw that pizza in the oven, and then you're good to go. Almost freaking dropped the whole thing right there. Crazy. All right, guys, that's it for today. Let me know what you think. Stay positive. Thanks for watching. What's up, guys? Thanks again for watching. I truly appreciate it. Enjoy some Zen as I send you off of this video. If you're interested, check out any of these videos popping up on your screen. Make sure to like, subscribe, and as always, stay positive. Feel free to click off the video anytime. Why are you still watching? Please click off the video. Maybe asking Scotty-Pips, why the hell is all this there? Well, I needed a little bit of filler to make it so my video wouldn't be as short on YouTube. So this is why I added all this extended bonus footage of absolutely nothing. Hey guys, I got an idea. Next time you're at Target waiting in line for cards, maybe go stop at the frozen food section. Check out Yough. I promise you, it's pretty good. I'm not sponsored by them, but I do recommend them. If you're still listening for some unbeknownst reason, leave a comment, something around the lines of, maybe I'll try Yough one day. Maybe, when I'm waiting in line at Target. Why not? All right, guys, we've hit the 3-minute mark. Thanks for watching.